didn't commit the murder. I did.
Miss Montgomery, you have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Now, if you will walk out with Jack and Livia, I'm sure that they will tell you all about it. We're leaving right now, Your Honor.
Please.
Carry her out if you have to.
Your Kendall is safe. You don't have to do this.
I know what I'm saying and what I'm doing. I have to say this. You have to listen to me. You have to hear me. Don't you understand? It was me all along. I shot Michael Cambias, and I have to pay for what I did.
Miss Montgomery, I have granted a mistrial in the Commonwealth's case against your sister. The time for reasonable doubt has come and gone. Be grateful and be quiet.
I can understand that, Your Honor. This isn't about
Anything
safety.
you have to say is of no interest to me as it pertains to this case. However, I believe the prosecution would feel otherwise. I suggest that you consult with counsel before you say another word.
Please, Your Honor. This place, this room, is supposed to be about justice. Truth. I have the truth, and I can give it to you now. I owe it to you. To all of you. It's been so long. All the questions and the fears. I thought they'd never go away. And you have all sacrificed so much. You covered and you protected. And all this time, I thought you were doing it for my sister. And I was so thankful and so proud. But you were doing it for me, too. For my mother, and Kendall, and me. You turned your lives upside down for us. All the fears and the risks. All my fault. Oh, God. All the secret things you did. Things you never thought you could do. If I had known, please believe me. I am so sorry for everything I put you through, Kendall. I'm so sorry. Mom, can you ever forgive me? Will you ever be able to forgive me? Kendall, you could have... Nobody deserves that kind of love and sacrifice. Nobody. Everything you did to protect us. You don't need to protect us anymore. I can do something now to make things right. For you. For all of you. And for my baby. Some of you didn't believe Kendall, but it wasn't all a lie. Michael Cambias did leave behind a child. But the child was never Kendall's. The baby's mine. I'm not proud of what I did. Maybe that's why my mind tried to make it go away. But one thing has stayed with me the whole time. My baby. some of you knew about her. And for the rest of you, it may be a surprise, but I'm gonna be a mother. And I love her so much already. And after everything you have all done, I'm sure that she feels all the love you've shown me. And I promise you that she's gonna be loved and cherished and protected. She won't have to grow up sad or alone or ashamed. And I'll teach her. We'll teach her. Not to run away from the truth and the things that hurt us. Because her mother didn't. I told you at Michael's funeral that you helped me understand how powerful love can be. Well, I believe that love will be the strength that gets me and my baby through this now.
If all the mothers in the world were like you, Bianca. I love you.
I'm so proud of you. You saved my baby so many times. I had no idea how many. Everything you did for me.
I'd do it again and more if I could.
Miss Montgomery, as I said before, the case against your sister is over. Where the prosecution goes with your revelation is their call. I'm sure that Mr. Singer would be happy to meet with you and your counsel in my chambers. Perhaps I can offer some guidance as to how to proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Now, before the media breaks in, Miss Montgomery, Livia, Jackson, join us.
She's not going anywhere without me.
Sure enough, me too. I'm going.
Will you?
We're all here, Bianca. We're with you all the way.